to Deriv Navigator Academy. So in this video, I'm doing a recap for under 7, okay? Whenever you're trading under 7, make sure that both the red bar and the green bar are below 7. Next, make sure that both the number with the red and green markings are nowhere close to 7. They should be 2 to 3 numbers away. Next, make sure that all the numbers above 7 are below 10%. Whenever all those conditions are satisfied, now you place your trade. First things first, ensure that whenever the ticker touches either 2 numbers above 7, you place under, and or that whenever the ticker touches 8 alone, you place under. Okay, so we'll come here and put 8 or 7. Whenever the ticker will touch either 8 or 9, we'll place under, or whenever the ticker will touch 8 alone, we will place under. As you can see now, the market is starting to vary. Now it has changed, but I hope guys you have gotten the point. Okay, whenever the ticker touches 2 numbers above 7, you place under, or whenever the ticker touches 8 alone, you place under. And make sure that the numbers above 7 are below 10%, and that both the red bar and the number with the red bar and the green bar are below 7, okay, are below, and that they should be nowhere close to 7. They should be 2 to 3 numbers away from 7, so as to be safe. Okay, I hope guys you have gotten the point. Go practice it. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me in the comment section or text me. My WhatsApp number is in the description. If you have any questions, please ask again. Please subscribe to our channel, Teach and Encourage Us, and thank you for watching. So that is basically how you trade under 7. I'll repeat again before I end the video. Make sure that both the red bar and the green bar are below 7. Make sure that all the numbers above 7 are below 10%. Make sure that both the red bar and the green bar are 2 to 3 numbers away from 7. Okay, so that both the number with the green bar and the number with the red bar should not be either touching 5 or 6. And when all those conditions are satisfied, you wait for the ticker to touch either 2 numbers above 7 or to touch 8 alone, and then you place under. If you found that helpful, make sure to subscribe and you'll be highly appreciated. Goodbye guys, keep pushing, keep practicing, keep trading. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.